Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Betterment transaction history. Betterment is a popular investment platform that allows users to track and manage their investments. Understanding your transaction history is essential to making informed decisions about your investments. To access your transaction history, start by logging into your Betterment account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts page where you will see a list of all your accounts. Click on the account you want to view the transaction history for. On the Account page, click on the Transactions tab. This will take you to a page that displays all the transactions for the selected account. The transactions are displayed in a table format with columns for date, type, description, and amount. You can filter the transactions by date range, type, and description. This allows you to quickly find specific transactions or view transactions for a specific time period. You can also export the transaction history to a spreadsheet for further analysis. The transaction history page also provides a detailed description of each transaction, including the type of transaction, the amount, and the date it was processed. You can use this information to track your investment performance, identify trends, and make adjustments to your investment strategy. It is essential to regularly review your transaction history to ensure that all transactions are accurate and authorized. This will help you detect any errors or suspicious activity and take corrective action. In addition to viewing your transaction history, you can also use the Betterment platform to set up notifications and alerts for specific transactions. This allows you to stay on top of your investments and receive notifications when certain transactions occur. In conclusion, accessing and understanding your Betterment transaction history is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can gain valuable insights into your investments and make informed decisions about your financial future. Regularly reviewing your transaction history is an essential part of managing your investments and ensuring that your financial goals are on track.